And now, time to try the Impossible Whopper. I've never actually had one, so let's see how it is. So here we go. One Impossible Whopper, no cheese, fries, and I got a Coke. I never drink Coke, but I got it anyway. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look like a Whopper, but it doesn't look bad at all. All right, let's see if I can do this one-handed. First reaction. It's not bad. Not bad at all. All right, I can eat this. It also just occurred to me that mayonnaise, that wasn't plant-based mayonnaise. I don't think the little dollop that I had is going to kill me. But that's something to keep in mind when you order an Impossible Whopper, is get no cheese and no mayonnaise. I actually forgot. Let me just say something about the fries, though. This is a medium. I mean, look at this next to my hand. It's like tiny. There's like 25 fries in there. I mean, come on. That's not a medium. That's a small. Impossible Whopper would totally do again. Fries, yes, absolutely. Coke, let's see. Funny story, I haven't had a Coke in like 2, maybe 3 years. Kenny, I can hear you now. It's just not great. It's overly sweet. It's kind of a weird flavor. I don't know if I like it. I used to love Coke. Actually, Pepsi. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna drink it, but it's okay. This concludes my trip to Burger King.